Hey there, Caesar with Kalder here. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to create experiences for your members to engage in and for them to earn benefits and rewards through these experiences. First, move to the Experiences menu option on your Kalder admin dashboard and hit Launch a new experience under Live Experiences. Here, you'll find an array of experiences to choose from, but in this video, we'll be looking at configuring the QR code event check-in experience. The QR code check-in is an easy way to create in-person activations by allowing your members to benefit from being physically present and actively engaging with your in-person activity. In step 1, you'll be entering your basic experience information. Firstly, choose a title for your experience. Next, upload a background image for your experience by pressing the Upload Image button. Please note that only JPEG, JPG, and PNG files are accepted here. Crop accordingly and press Save Changes to continue. Next, you can decide whether you'd like this experience to be exclusive to your members. To have this experience visible to members only, keep this toggled on. If you'd like this experience to be open to participation from people outside of your membership, toggle this off. Next, choose how many times a user can participate in this experience by selecting from the drop-down menu. Here, you can choose between a one-time submission, anytime submissions, which means unlimited submissions, or time-based submissions as well. In step 2, you'll be configuring the details of your event, where your members can use their unique QR codes to check in. First, set the location of your check-in by using the interactive map or by manually entering an address in the text box below. Next, enter details for the time and date of your event by entering a time frame into the event time text box and by using the calendar we've provided in the event date section. The QR code check-in link is the admin link that your staff will use to check in with members through their device cameras. If you'd like to token gate your event, enter a spend amount into the text box provided. The spend amount is the amount of tokens a member must spend to unlock this experience and participate in your event. To reward your members for attending the event, enter a reward amount in the text box provided. The reward amount is the amount of tokens a member will receive after checking in with their QR code. Lastly, choose a participation limit for the experience. The participation limit is the cap on member check-ins that you'd like to have for your event so that you can control the amount of people in your event. Once you're happy with your event details, press Save Draft Changes to move on to the next step. In step 3, you'll write a description about this experience. Under Instructions, write about what this experience is and how members can participate, as well as benefits and perks they can receive after completing the experience. If you're not sure what to write about, Kalder provides you with an AI generator to help you create a description as well as a title for your experience. You'll find the AI generator at the bottom of the preview screen on the right side of your window. To use the AI generator, enter a few prompts or a short description of your experience, and let the AI do the rest. Once you're happy with your description here, hit Save Draft Changes and continue on to the next step. In step 4, you'll be able to add collaborators to co-host your experience. Let's say you wanted to collaborate on a specific campaign with an outside brand or creator. Here's where you'll be able to invite them. To send an invite to an outside collaborator, click Add New Collaborator and enter their email address in the pop-up window shown. Press Send Invite and an invitation link will be sent to the email address you've provided. However, if you're not working with any collaborators, feel free to skip this step. Once you're done with your invites, hit Save Draft Changes and continue on to the next step. In the final step of creating an experience, all you have to do is click Publish Live, and your experience will now be open to live submissions from all of your members. If you're not ready to submit your experience yet, don't worry, because you'll have access to this experience as a draft on your Kalder admin dashboard, and you can submit this whenever you'd like. To do this, make sure you press Save Draft Changes on all of the steps, and feel free to exit the page when you've made your saves. If you encounter any problems, have any questions, or would like to give us any feedback, please feel free to use the feedback tool in the Kalder admin dashboard to let us know. Congratulations on creating this experience, and we'll see you in the next video.